This is how to change Microsoft account on Windows 10. Now go to your Windows icon on the bottom left corner, right click on it, then go to settings, then go to accounts. Then here you will see your Microsoft account. As you can see, this is my Microsoft account. So I want to change this Microsoft account to another Microsoft account on this Windows 10. So what you will need to do is to click on sign in with the local account instead. Then click on next. Then enter your security PIN. So I'm going to do that. Then here you are going to enter your local account info. So I'm going to leave mine as it is. Then click on next. Then sign out and finish. So guys, once you have logged in again to your Windows account using your local account, you are going to go back to your Windows settings. You will click on that Windows icon, then go to settings. Then as you can see now, it is local account. So you will go to accounts. Then you will now sign in with the Microsoft account instead. Now this time around, you need to sign in with the Microsoft account that you want to change to. So you will click on sign in with the Microsoft account instead. And then sign in with another Microsoft account. So I'm going to use another email here to sign in. Then click on next. Then choose a way to sign in. Now you can use password, you can use email, or you can use fingerprint. So I'm going to choose email. Then a code will be sent to your email. So just go to your email, copy the code and come and paste it here. So once you have pasted the email, just click on sign in. Then enter your current Windows password. So for my Windows, I have not set password. I'm just going to click on next. And as you can see guys, I've changed to another Microsoft account on Windows 10. So that's how to change Microsoft account on Windows 10. I hope this was useful. If it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in the next one.